If you're wondering how to use our online booking system, we're just going to walk you through it so you can see how quick and easy it is. If you go to the Merry Maids website, you can click on the option for our online shop booking. This will take you through to the opening page of the Merry Maids shop. So all you need to do is put in your postcode, and if you have a coupon code for a discount, then you also enter that at this stage too. If you press continue, this will take you through to all the online shop options that are available, so you can have a look and see which suits your needs. If you're at all unsure, please just phone your local Merry Maids office. Once you've selected the clean that you would like, you then click on it and move on to the next page. At this stage, you're going to choose the date and time that you would like to book the clean for. So clean slots are available on the calendar so that you can choose a suitable one to meet your needs. Again, if the day and time that you need is not shown, please do just call your local Merry Maids office and they may be able to assist. So once you've selected your date, time and your clean, you move on to the payment stage where you'll enter your details and your card for payments. Once that goes through, you will then receive an email confirming everything, and you will probably also get a call from the local office just so that they can clarify exactly what it is that we are doing in your home to ensure that the clean meets your needs.